So guys, so static members, they are data or functions that are shared across all objects of a class, just that. Okay, so you know normal members, they just stay in the class, they can be only used in that class, but static members, they can be called everywhere in our code base because they are static. Okay, so which will add to our counts from a static count variable, okay? And then here, I will create a static variable. Our static variable, this is static member I'm talking about, okay? So now I can create a constructor, create also a static void to use our counts static variable. So yeah, I think this everything about our header file. Now I can create the implementation of our small header file here. I think we have that here. Let me see. Code made. No, we don't have it here. I think it's in JetBrains. Yeah, it's in Rider, of course. So we'll do it manually. I will create a counter C++ file to implement our counter header file. Add new item, a C++ file, right, called counter. And then here we will implement our counter header file. Just that. Now I just initialized our count, which is in the header file. As it is static, I don't need to create like a new class or whatever. So now in our C++ file, the main function, I can just do this. I can just, let me say what, create many counters. Of course, I need to include the counter file here. Boom, now I can do a counter print count. So guys, you see, this basically is what static means. Static is like share this to all the codes in which kind of include it, right? So we won't need to call a specific or create something new. No. It will be created from the base file, and then we can use it everywhere, which just the meaning of static. Or I can just call, okay, if I want to be professional, I can say static is shared among all scripts, all files, all whatever. As we did use a header file, guys, why did I use a header file? Because don't forget, you need to get used to these files here. They're really important and they can help you in whatever you coding. So now I can print this one. So yeah, total object created is 3. You see, right? Why 3? Why did it know that it's 3? 3, right? Because in our class counter, I did in the constructor, I did add a count plus. So every time this counter is called, it's add 1 to the count. So